Good morning and happy Saturday. Welcome to a new vlog. I hope you are well. And I put yesterday's makeup on because I was so tired to the point where I just forgot I had it on. It's only eyebrows and mascara. It's not that bad. It's not like I had a full face of like foundation and things. So tired. Mother Nature decided to come 2 days ago. Whoa. And yeah, I've just been like really bad and feeling quite sorry for myself, to be honest. So I've been eating so much stuff, like bad stuff. Like I ate 3 Coupland shortbread biscuits, like they're cute little like character ones, what they get in. What else did I have? Like half a bag of custard creams. I had one of Ben's Milky Bars, which I never do because I know that they're his. I only left him 2 rows, so I had over half of a Milky Bar. I've literally all day yesterday, almost a big bag of Butterkist pop, I don't know, some popcorn squarey thing, triangular things, not square. So yeah, I was just like so bad, like eating whatever I can. Like Ben got me a meal deal the other day. Yeah, I've just been eating really bad. Oh, I know. She just ended that. Just ended it. Oh, okay. Right, shall we go put the washing outside before it rains? Not before it, but meaning like we'll get it out and then bring it in, hopefully, fingers crossed, before it rains. Probably it's going to rain around about 3 o'clock, so yeah. But I know. Say have a nice day. We're gonna have a nice day. Yeah, we're gonna try. Because yesterday she had a bit of a crazy day. She also, I had a hair grip on in my hair, gripping it back. It's calmed down now this morning, and she decided to headbutt it. You can just see the bruise there. Oh, moody bum, moody bum, moody bum. Yeah? Come on then, before it rains. What are you touching? Leaf. Leaf. I love how you grabbed it straight away. Oh, good girl. Not sure on bits, are you? Dressing gowns at 10 to 9 in the morning. Yes, it does say 10 to 8, but it's actually 10 to 9. I've still not changed it from when the clocks went forward. Oh, it's so cute. We're shopping. Oh, boop. I know. You're telling me? That's my hoosie. Oh, that needs to go to the bin now. I know. I don't think it's going to fit. I just fit. Just. Oh. Oh. That's to go under the sink. Ooh, perfect. And that's that. Into the bedroom because the last 2 weeks, week and a half, I've been saying every single day, I need to do the bedroom. I need to do the bedroom. It's doing my head in. It's disgusting. It's bad. I've got sick on the mirror, which has been on there for God knows how long. And then she's been sick. You see that? You see? Sick there. That's been there for like a good couple of weeks. It's doing my head in. And it just, being a mum can be so hard because then you're like, oh, this needs doing, this needs doing, this needs doing. I don't have time to do this because this one needs my attention. So I'm going to get out all the toys. The bedding needs changing. I'm going to quickly flip you around in a moment and show you how bad the bedroom is. And I'm going to pop her on the bed whilst I put all the clothes away, put all the clothes downstairs what I need to go in the wash, do all the cleaning. The blinds haven't been opened in God knows how long, because obviously Ben's been working, so it's like I get up, he's in bed, and then by the time I come upstairs he's going back to bed because it's like nap time. Oh, are you tired? Oh no. So I'm gonna pop her on the bed with all of her toys. I'm gonna give her my phone with Peppa Pig and I'd try and do this. Right. You're cute. So we've got washing on the floor, we've got pillows, we've got sick on the mirror, a bed, I've just shoved all the power washing on there. We've got lots of gift bags and cards down there what I need to find homes. My area, I've even got my B&M uniform on the floor. I haven't worked at B&M for 2.5 years. They don't even have that uniform anymore. That's how long it's been. Tinkerbell, I'm gonna open them. I've been looking for that cup. It's Ben's. Looks like my rabbits, well, Evelyn's rabbits are cuddling. Hello. Right, should we crack on? Christ. Right, are we ready? 3, 2, 1, power of editing. Yay! Oh, I just need to take them down. I have done. Oh, we have a streak. Oh. What are you doing? She's tired. It's bath time. Terrible hair day today. Yeah, mirrors are done. I've literally, I'm just going to talk to you through the mirror. Changed all the bedding. I've even hoovered the headboard. I even put bicarb on the mattress as well as left it for a good about 30 minutes because there was no way I could leave it all day, especially with the cats and then Evelyn as well as. So I just thought, right, oh sorry, I'm just like, woo. Yeah, 30 minutes of bicarb to collect any like odours what might be building up, or any dead skin cells, cat skin cells, or not nice, you know, any build up, obviously what can go through the mattress sheet. Yes, mattress sheet, is that what they're called? The sheet on what we sleep on. You know, one of them. So yeah, I did that, hoovered. I've hoovered the floor. I even got all the powders out. I then even got my 1001 after I hoovered. Put all the clothes away. I've put all of Evelyn's clothes away, and so I've even cleaned everything around there. I do want a shelf for my graduation stuff, which is currently on there. And then I've got just a few like pads and then my old phone, what I don't really know what to do with. And then I've got a few little bits and bobs. It looks a bit messy. I like things not as much on there. But yeah, sorted out all that. They need to, just this little pile need to go downstairs. I don't know what to do with these pillows. Don't know what to do with my old B&M uniform from 2.5 years ago. I remember the manager saying, because they've got a new uniform now anyway, because literally as I was leaving they got a new uniform, and he was just like, just get rid of it safely. And I was just like, well, what do I do? Just put it in the bin? And he was like, no, you can't do that. Like, do you want it back? No, we don't want it back. I was like, well, what do I do with it? So yeah, it's been in the bottom of my wardrobe for God knows how long, and now in the bottom of my wardrobe I've got all my coat hangers and then like a little basket for all my hats and scarves, so, and any gloves as well as. So I don't really know what to do, but anyway. But yeah, I've like fully cleaned. I've done the windows, I've done the windowsills, I've gone around all like the skirting up there, the curving, I don't know, is that what it's called? Cleaned Ben's little shelf, I've tidied up. I've done Evelyn's bedroom, we've hoovered and 1001 in there. I've cleaned the bathroom, so I'm not going to get her in the bath. And then I'm going to get a shower because I deserve it.